Africa AirData Page uses data provided by ForwardKeys and is designed to highlight the post-COVID-19 recovery of the tourism sector in Africa. The linear visualization displays the percentage difference in sold airline tickets to each region in Africa compared with the same month figures from the pre-pandemic year of 2019. Firstly, we can see a sharp decline in the spring of 2020 as lockdowns and flight restrictions were imposed in much of the world, and then the slow recovery of the sector through 2021 and 2022. We can also understand that some regions have recovered nearly 100% of sold airline tickets in comparison with 2019, while others, notably Southern Africa, are still operating at relatively low levels. The map below the line chart displays how the origin markets for Africa have recovered since 2019 levels. The heat map shows the relative recovery, with darker shades showing stronger recovery, and the horizontal bars on the right side showing the top 5 markets for Africa. Moreover, users can apply filters to choose the specific years and months they want to see in the visualizations. Finally, at the end, a summary bar chart shows the evolution over time for all the origin markets. This is WiTH Africa AirData, powered by ForwardKeys.